Good day, student. This is Ma'am Annalyn Nami Fuentes, and in this video lesson, you will learn and understand the binomial theorem. So, the binomial theorem is in elementary algebra, the binomial theorem or binomial expansion describes the algebraic expansion of power of binomial. So, binomial expansion from the word itself, expand. Then, according to the theorem, it is possible to expand polynomial x plus y raised to n into a sum involving theorems of the form ax raised to b times y raised to c, where the exponents b and c are non-negative integers with b plus c is equal to n, and the coefficient a of each term is a specific positive integer depending on n and b. Example, for example, for n is equal to 4, so x plus y raised to 4 is equal to x raised to 4 plus 4x cubed times y plus 6x squared times y squared plus 4x y cubed plus 4. Then, the coefficient a in the term of ax raised to b times y raised to c is known as the binomial coefficient. So, the binomial coefficient is equal or equals the numbers of combinations of r in items that can be selected from a set of items. It is also represents an entry in Pascal's triangle. The number are called binomial coefficient because they are coefficient in the binomial theorem. So, this or the binomial coefficient n choose b or n choose c, the two have the same value. So, the coefficient for varying n and b can be arranged from Pascal's triangle. So, the Pascal triangle or the Pascal's triangles is a triangular array of the binomial coefficient in much of the Western world. It is named after the French mathematician Blaise Pascal, although other mathematicians studied it centuries before him in India, Persia, China, Germany, and Italy. So, these numbers also arise in combinatorics, where n choose b gives the number of different combinations of b elements that can be chosen from an n element or an n element set. Therefore, n choose b is often pronounced as n choose b. So, next is the example. So, for example number 1, the most basic example of the binomial theorem, is the formula for the square of x plus y. So, in the binomial theorem, you will use the FOIL method. So, dito sa binomial theorem, sa pag-expand natin ng polynomial, ang gagamitin lang natin is the FOIL method rather. Then, after using the FOIL method or getting the answer from the FOIL method, you will combine all like terms or combining like terms. Then, this example is x plus y squared is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So, the binomial coefficient is 1, 2, and 1. So, ang binomial coefficient ay makukuha natin dito sa x squared. Since this x squared ay may number na 1 dyan, so that is 1, then the 2, then the 1 in y squared. So, that is the coefficient. Appearing in the expansion corresponds to the second row of Pascal's triangle. The top one of the triangle is considered to be row 0 by convention. The coefficient of higher powers of x plus y corresponds to the lower rows of the triangle. Then, x plus y cubed is equal to x cubed plus 3x squared times y plus 3xy squared plus y cubed. Then, to check if our answer in expansion or binomial theorem is correct in this equation or in this polynomial x plus y cubed, so use the FOIL method. So x plus y cubed is equal to x plus y times x plus y times x plus y. So, in this situation, you will first use the FOIL method in the two equations. So, x times x, or use the FOIL method in these two equations. So, x times x is equal to x squared. Then, x times y is equal to positive xy. Then, positive y times positive x is equal to positive xy. Then, positive y times positive y is equal to positive y squared. Then, after that, we will combine like terms. So, ang magiging answer na natin is x squared. Ilalagay natin siya dito sa taas para mamaya pag sinolve natin ito, makukuha natin yung answer natin. So, x squared, then x plus y times x plus y is equal to 2 plus 2xy plus y squared. So, erase natin ito. Then, so since may natira pa tayong isang equation, kasi this is cube, so, or may natira pa tayong isang binomial na equation, so, imumultiply natin siya dito sa trinomial using the FOIL method again. So, this is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared times the quantity of x plus y. Then, use the FOIL method. Isa-isahin. So, x squared times x is equal to x cubed. So, the law of exponent in multiplication is addition. So, i-add mo ang exponent. Then, since tapos na tayo sa x squared times x, doon naman tayo sa x squared times y. So, this is positive x squared y. Then, next is the second term. So, 2xy times x is equal to positive 2x squared y. Then, next is 2xy times y is equal to 2xy squared. Then, next is the y squared times x. So, y squared times x is equal to xy squared. Plus y squared plus y is equal to y cubed. So, y cubed. So, now we will combine the like terms. So, since x cubed is iisa lang or nag-iisa lang, so, ikakopy na lang natin siya. So, x cubed. Then, next is x squared plus y. Then, kung makikita nyo, hindi sila magkaparehas ng numbers. Pero, parehas sila ng variables and exponents. So, pwede silang i-combine as 1. So, positive x squared plus times y plus 2x squared times y is equal to positive 3x squared y. Then, the 2xy squared plus xy squared is same din sila ng variables and exponents. So, we will combine this two numbers. So, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So, plus 3x squared or 3x times y squared. Then, copy the y cubed. Because nag-iisa lang din yung y cube, parehas ni x cube. So, we can say that our answer or our solution is same as the answer in the presentation. So, the answer is x cube. Okay? The answer is x cube times or x cube plus 3x squared times y plus 3xy squared plus y cubed. So, parehas lang tayo ng answer. So, next is the x plus y raised to 4. Same process, use the binomial, the FOIL method. Then, simplify. So, the answer for x plus y raised to 4 is equal to x raised to 4 plus 4x cubed times y plus 6x squared plus y squared plus 4xy cubed plus y raised to the 4th power. So, if you want to check it, you can solve it on your paper. Then, next is the x plus y raised to 5 is equal to x raised to 5 or raised to the power of 5 plus 5x raised to the 4th power times y plus 10x cubed times y squared plus 10x squared times y cubed plus 5x times y raised to the 4th power plus y raised to the 5th power. Then next is the x plus y raised to the 6th power is equal to x raised to the 6th power plus 6x raised to the 5th power times y plus 15x raised to the 4th power plus y squared plus 20x cubed times y cubed plus 15x squared times y raised to the 4th power plus 6x times y raised to the 5th power plus 6 plus y raised to the 6th power. And for number 2, to begin with our lesson, consider the following expansion of a plus b raised to n for n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Do you see any patterns or pattern? So, a plus b raised to 1, a plus b raised to, or a plus b squared, and a plus b raised to 3, a plus b raised to 4th power, and a plus 5 raised to 5th power, a plus 6 raised to, 8 plus b raised to the 6th power. So, may nakikita ba kayong pattern? So, meron. At this equation or this polynomial expansion, we will be using these answers on the Pascal's triangle. So, the Pascal's triangle or the a plus b raised to 0, any number raised to 0, the answer is 1. So, a plus b raised to 0 is equal to 1. Then, a plus b raised to 1 is equal to 1 and 1. So, kung makikita natin dito sa a, babalikan natin. So, dito sa a plus b raised to 1, ang number dito sa katabi ng a plus b is 1 and 1. So, kaya ang ilalagay natin dito sa Pascal's triangle natin is 1 and 1. The coefficient. So, next is the a plus b squared. Ang makukuha nating coefficient dun is 1, 2, and 1. Sorry, this one supposed to be here, hindi dyan. Kasi, ang pattern dito is from this, so 0 plus 1, the answer is 1, and 1 plus 0, the answer is 1. Then, if you add this 1 and 1, or 1 plus 1, it is equal to 1. Then, 0 or this line for the Pascal's triangles, we call this as ones, and this second line or second diagonal line we call this as accounting numbers. Then this next is the triangular numbers. So the pattern here is if you add the numbers above, the answer is, for example, 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Then 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So triangle or Pascal's triangle. Then this coefficients is example of a Pascal's triangle. Then remember, every entry other than 1 in the Pascal's triangles is the sum of the two entries diagonally above it. The coefficient of a binomial expansions are called binomial coefficients. In order to find them, we use the binomial theorem. So, use the FOIL method to solve the binomial theorem and to find the Pascal's triangle. So, yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, in binomial theorem, we will be using the FOIL method to find the Pascal's triangle. So, this is the steps in solving or using the FOIL method. So, to solve the FOIL method, first term to first term, for letter F stands for first term to first term. The second one is letter O. So, letter O is outer term to outer term. Then, the third one is the inner term to inner term. And the fourth and last is the last term to last term. Then, combine like terms. Next is, this is the activity. For activity A, try to solve mathematical induction to prove all the given natural numbers. So, ipoprove mo na true ang statement 1, 2, and 3. Then, next is, for letter B, expand the following equations using the binomial theorem. So, this is 4x plus 2 raised to 0 to 6x plus 4 raised to 5. So, ang gagamitin yung exponent dito is from 0 to 5. So, ang isosolve yung using the FOIL method is from the exponent 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, hanggang 5. Then, ganun din dito sa number 2, from 3 to 6. Then, for number 3, from 4 to 7. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then, for your reflection, this is the last activity. This is, if you were given a chance to choose patterns in life, what patterns would you prefer? Is it the pattern that God has provided you on your own design or your own design pattern? So, you can write your answer on your paper and take a picture on it and attach your file on the Moodle, or you can encode it through the use of MS Word and attach again your file on the Moodle. That's all, and thank you.